Hi, I had someone ask me the other day, how do I put a rabbet into a surface with just hammer and chisel and hand tools? Basically, the traditional way is bevel down and go in. And you'd make a scribe cut to know exactly where you're at. And you would chisel it out. And there's a bunch of different ways of chiseling it out. But basically, what most people have done is buy a rabbet plane. And it's a cross between a chisel and a plane. Well, a plane is nothing more than a chisel being held in place. But a rabbet plane allows you, the iron of the plane sticks out flush with the side. And in this case, it's little more than a chisel being held in place by a plane. So I can set it up and go along. Now this one happens to be heavily modified. You can buy them with a fence on there. But this one, the previous owner cut the top off and put on a piece of angle iron, which works really well, except for most people don't want it because it doesn't look very pretty for collectors. For me, though, it's perfect. So I picked it up, refurbished it, and now it's a working plane again. But basically, I need to make this to recess the glass for the coffee table, so that will fit into it all the way around. I still have a little bit more to go on it, though. Each pass takes off, my guess is about a 32nd of an inch. I'm going pretty fast right now. You know, a 32nd doesn't actually sound like that much, but it is. Also, this oak has been sitting inside for about 12 years, and it is immensely dry. So it's fairly brittle. Let's see how close we are now. Hi. That tells me exactly where I need to take off. Perfect. Middle high. Perfect. Just a hair in the middle. So I could put a second fence on that, basically the depth stop. But still a little high right there. But that would make it look funky and there's a lot of messing with it. And honestly, using the glass is pretty simple. Perfect. Not quite. Maybe a hair more right there. Chisel out the spot there, looking pretty good there. And let it start to work in, start to clean this out. That should just about do it. There you go. A perfect rabbet. Or if you're in England, a Rabbet. But it's pronounced rabbit. So there you go. Hope you like it. See you next time. Have a good day.